Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome back for another live trading session. Hopefully, everybody is doing great. So, welcome to the new followers. Welcome back to the existing followers. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate notification. Why? Because as you can tell, we are what the fuck? We are Wednesday. We are not Tuesday. Usually live session are on Tuesday morning, but unfortunately I was not able to attend yesterday, so I decided to postpone it. I don't know. The Frenchie's having a problem this morning. So, anyways, we changed it for this morning. So we're going live this morning. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Let me just check something very quickly here. And if anyone can send maybe the link in the Discord, that will be very appreciated. Let me see here. Da, 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 da. Sorry, guys. Okay, should be good now. All right, cool. So let me know if the sound is loud and clear, guy. Oh, fuck. God damn it. I was muted again. Did I did that again? All right, so let's redo this. So, welcome everyone. Welcome to another live trading session. Welcome back. Welcome to the existing followers. Welcome back, for the existing followers, and welcome to the new followers. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate notification. And the reason why you want to activate notifications, like I just said when I was muted, um, technically the live stream is usually on Tuesday morning, and we are Wednesday, right? The reason why is I had a huge meeting yesterday and I was not able to attend this morning. So decided to change it for this morning. So we are on. Man, can you imagine? I didn't took any fucking trade since I'm back from the cruise. Like I pinch myself. Like I'm like, am I crazy right now? Like, am I okay? Just like because this is not me. And I was so proud of myself because there's plenty of opportunity that showed up, but that was kind of effy. Didn't took it. Didn't took it. So I'm really proud of myself. The patience, it's getting so solid. So let's see the chat here. Hi, Kasha. Good afternoon from Utrecht. Hey, how you doing, buddy? Wither, can't wait to start the boot camp with you. We're starting the boot camp on the 22nd, so next week. Good morning, Sensei. Hope you're doing good. Wednesday live session, yeah, baby, man. Special edition. No loud and clear. Yeah, clearly. Yeah, I was muted, man. Shit. Good morning, Bilal. Sasha, hope you're doing well. Yeah, thank you, man. Thank you, very appreciate. So yeah, we're gonna get started, guys. We're gonna get started. So let's get started, ladies and gentlemen. By the way, I might have to pause this at one point. They're coming to install the fence close to my pool today, so I might have to go talk to them for a couple minutes. But let's get started. Meanwhile, all right, cool. Let me get this banner going. Actually, let's stand up. Ladies and gentlemen, please stand up. So let me know, guys. Are you guys in a trade? How's your week looking so far? I'm curious who's looking at what. Let me know if you have any special pair you want to take a look at. Okay, so let's start with GJ. I don't know. A lot of people ask me about GJ recently. Okay, so let's take a look at this. So we are bullish on the weekly here. Oh, give me one second, guys. Vem cá, tô ouvindo, Sparky. Okay. Dis-moi là quand ils sont là pour vrai. Dis-moi là quand ils sont là pour vrai. All right, sorry guys. So the guy for the fence just showed up, so I might have to talk to them in a couple minutes. So like I said, the weekly is presently bullish. We're looking at the daily right now. Daily is still bullish. Okay, so we got the daily bullish, and my main thing, a lot of people was interested in taking trades from here selling. I mean, I'm not, and the reason why it's because, I mean, first we have like bullish engulfing here, and we are inside our daily golden zone. Plus, the weekly and the daily are bullish. So for me, it's against my rule. I'm not touching at any sells in here. Like I said, I don't say it's not going to work, but for me, my 4 hour, yes, it's bearish, but even there, like if you took trade like here, that's cool if you're scalping, that's cool if you're scalping because maybe you have your 1 hour, your four, your two, and your one in sync, and you're scalping. Fine, that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for intraday slash swing here. So for me, against my rules, not touching it. So again, we got the weekly bullish, and we got the daily bullish. Do I think that price might go down on GJ? Absolutely. And the reason why is because if it's not pushing back up from here, I mean, it's gonna come back up when we're gonna reach that pullback on the weekly, which is like right here, So let me just establish this. So here's our other area where we might push back from, So do I think that GJ will come down to this before going back up? Absolutely, but we'll see. So far, I was not interested in anything on GJ because even if I have reached my daily golden zone here, my 4 hour was still bearish, So for me, it's a no-go. Now we're going to update this line and this line. So yeah, so let's wait. All right, so let's wait here for GJ. Let me see. Hold on. Let me go check the chat here. Can you share how you use the fib and golden zone? Yeah, sure, man. Since when the fucked with their charts market are looking shit. Yeah, I know, man. Fuck. So the golden zone is really simple. Okay, so let me put this on the daily. So for me, the golden zone, the fib, for me, it's an area where price might pull back to. Okay, it just for me it gives me indication and on where is the pullback going, until when the pullback is gonna go. Because most of the time, price will reach out either that golden zone, which is between the 50 and the 618, or the 382 before going back up. My safety net is at the 764, so that's my setting. If you want to copy it, I don't care. So you can take a screenshot of this. Here we go. Cool. So if you didn't have time to take a screenshot, just rewind, pause it, and take it. Okay, so now let's move on to Euro NZD. Euro NZD on the weekly here, we are still bearish. Let's see, did we reach that safety net? So far, we're respecting that safety net like I was talking about. So this is my last area where I want to take a trade here. We need to close under. So far, it looks like we're rejecting. So we're still might be able to take a trade here. Let's take a look at the daily. The daily is bullish though, so we need the daily to go back bearish before doing anything on this pair. 4 hours bullish also. So right now, nothing. So let's switch that to blue because it's not close to be ready. So now let's go check Euro GBP. By the way, guys, if you have any suggestion or any pair that you looked at, look at those fucking gaps, dude. It drives me nuts. It literally drives, like even Forex.com now just have stupid gaps. So drive me nuts. Oh well. Let's take a look at this weekly. The weekly is bearish also. So weekly bearish. We went up here, boom, boom. Okay, actually we need to update this. I'm guessing this was supposed to be where it was to be, but yeah, I hate those gaps, man. Holy. So we basically reach out that area of interest last week or 2 weeks ago. Let me delete this now because this is done. We rejected the major QP here, that purple line. Now let's take a look at the daily. The daily went bearish. We had to pull back. Clearly, we missed the entry here. Let me see if we missed it. What happened with that 4 hour? So 4 hour time frame. went bullish, still bullish. Oh, I think we explained that on Forex Talk Over Beer last week, right? We're still bullish here, still bullish. We finally flipped bearish here. So, but we never had the pullback. That's why I never enter that trade. So we never had the pullback on the 4 hour. Even here, here would be the other opportunity though, on a continuation trade. Oh, guys, I need to step out for 2 minutes. I'll be right back. Okay. toi qui passe son premier radio. Pas en tout. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm so sorry, but had to do this. Okay, so outside. Let's go. So bye, Shiggy. So can't wait to show you the backyard without the fucking like I don't even know how to call the headset, but whatever. Okay, so anyways, so long story short, let's get back to this here. So basically, yeah, we kind of missed the trade here, but here trade went back bullish, right? So it went back bullish and then bearish. So I guess there was an opportunity here, but again, it flipped back bullish once again right here. So I'm happy I was not in that trade because I think I would be losing my mind. So yeah, it is what it is. Okay. So Euro GBP now, I think it's done. Let's see if we can have if we can catch the continuation trade. The only way I would be interested back in Euro GBP if the daily show a pullback to come down, but I don't think that's gonna happen now. So let's move down. Euro NZD. By the way, guys, let me see here. Let me check the chat here when I was gone. Sorry about by the way for that delay. Um, Krish, also this week is slow. Yeah, man. I mean, the past 2 weeks been so slow. I didn't took any trade since I'm back from the cruise. It's just like crazy. And DCAD H4 flipping bullish. Well, definitely gonna go take a look at that. Okay. Sensei, can you please break down Alex trade that he took on GGCL? He took it as WD 4 hour, 1 hour was bullish for me. Still, he looks sell. He posted on edge. Yeah. I just we looked at it just earlier, but we'll go back to it for sure. I don't care about that trade as it was not into my plan. Just curious. Yeah, we'll go back to it. But let's take a look at Euro NZD here. So first thing first, let's take a look at the weekly. The weekly, actually, Euro NZD, we just did it. We need to wait. NZD CAD. All right, so we're right now at NZD CAD. So weekly is bullish. We finally, and that's funny because a lot of people message me on Discord about this trade. People took trades like somewhere in here. I was like, guys, I mean, this trade needs a bigger pullback. You know, bigger pullback. Same thing as GJ. Like I was willing to take a trade here in that daily golden zone, but if you look at the weekly, it's a small pullback. I would not be going like full risk on this because I know for a fact that the weekly needs a bigger pullback. Okay, but now if you look at NZD CAD, same thing. So now we finally reach this weekly golden zone. I'm telling you, this golden zone is like it's a magnet. Okay, so we're finally rejecting this golden zone, major QP, weekly area of interest. I mean, all those key points now look like we're ready to fire up. Especially that now, if you look at price action, if you look at this weekly candle, went down and now it looks like we're ready to pull back up to create that top wick now. Since we done creating the bottom wick, looks like we might push up. And now if you look at the daily is bearish. Let's update this, which is beautiful. This is exactly what I want to see on the daily, creating a lower low. So now the only thing I need is the daily to flip back bullish, come back to retest and push up. Okay. So that is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So that's probably going to be ready next week. So that's good. That's really good. So NZD CAD definitely looking good, but the data is still bearish at the moment. So even if the H4 is about to flip from there to there, and from here, from there to there. Actually, what am I saying here? Here. Perfect. So yeah, so the 4 hour is about to flip, and that's normal because the 4 hour will always flip. Your lower time frame will always flip before your bigger time frame. Okay, so it's normal that H4 is flipping now bullish, but keep in mind that the daily is still bearish. So we gotta stay put, sit on your hand, don't touch anything, be smart. Okay, so that's NZD CAD, so that's perfect. Let me check here. Mm, 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 mm. So what are on Monday I took NZD CAD with 2R result. Oh, did you took it to the downside or to the upside? I'm just curious. As a day trade, okay. Oh, if you took it as a day trade, I guess it was bearish, right? So so yeah, as a day trade, yeah, you can take you had the daily bearish, you had the 4 hour bearish. So hopefully you took it as a day trade. But I think the movement was from this area, I mean from this area to this area. But again, I would not be willing, me personally, to take a day trade when I know that I'm in the area where I'm expecting a pushback up, So, because that can be like very dangerous because you don't know how price might react to this area. It might just shoot up straight up, when it touched this area. Sometimes price action can do some crazy shit, especially if you got news. Also, the same moment when you're close to a rejection area, you can be surprised. You can be surprised. So that's why when I'm here, like I would use this area as a TP for me to the downside, but I was not like counter trend trading. I would use this area as a TP, but I was not willing to take a trade in this area. But that's just me. Um, so okay, where are we at? Okay, GCAD. GCAD. Okay. So GCAD on the weekly, right now we're bullish. Now, right now we're just straight bullish. What about the daily? Daily straight bullish. So basically waiting for pullbacks here. Just waiting for pullbacks. That's what I want to see. So that's why I keep it blue. It's clean, but we still have no pullbacks. Actually here, boom and boom. Okay. Euro GBP, let's see. Do we have anything interesting here? So if you're looking at, oh, we looked at that one already. NZD GPY, NZD GPY is about to be very nice, and I love NZD GPY. So we basically, we are bullish here. Yeah, we're clearly bullish. We're getting to this weekly air golden zone, which is also, if you look here, this is also previous structure. Boom, previous structure. Do we have an area of interest here? No, we got nothing to the left. So we're not going to be able to find any area of interest at this price. So that's why also the golden zone comes in play also to help. So that's pretty good. Plus, I'm pretty sure we have a QP, major QP here, right here. Let's identify that. We got 9400 as a QP. Um, Here we go. Perfect. So that's beautiful. Perfect. Now let's take a look at the daily. Daily is bearish, obviously, because we are having this pullback. So that's perfect. Cool. The 4 hour is bearish. So again, so if you want, let's say you want to take that counter trend trade, okay? The area where you want to take it was like somewhere in here, you know. But again, it was a small pullback on the 4 hour. So me, I would probably like, it depends. If it was a 382, maybe. Yeah, it was like we didn't even like went close like to 382. So I was like, I don't know. I'm probably not gonna be taking that trade because I don't like that small pullback. Because most of the time, a small pullback comes back to bite you in the ass. Okay, that's the reality. So for me, no decent pullback. I'm not interested. So now let's update those lines. Perfect. Excellent. Okay. So now we're getting there. So that's beautiful. Sweet. So I think the GPY is going to be looking nice next week. So I'm definitely going to keep an eye on this one. 80 GPPCHF. GPPCHF. Let's take a look at the weekly. Oh, we're breaking that solid right now. We probably broke that safety net also. Yeah. So right now this trade, I'm not interested anymore. So not interested in selling anymore for sure because we broke that safety net. So for me, it's a no go. Date is bullish. So since we broke that safety net, I might be willing to take a counter trend trade here. Um, Meaning that the daily now look like clearly that we're going to the upside. We're about to have a pullback on the daily. Man, this shit is straight up. Straight the hell up. I don't like this elbow though. It's kind of effy elbow. But if the 4 hour, oh, hold on, wait a second. So 4 hour, yeah, 4 hour would like this gonna would have to flip back completely for me to be interested in this trade. Because right now we're about to go bearish. So we'll keep an eye on it, but it doesn't look sexy now. Let's take a look at the weekly. USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD is bullish on the weekly. Daily, we were waiting for a pullback. Look at this. I marked this like up last week during Forex Top of Revere, if you guys remember. So look like we're finally having this daily pullback. Beautiful. Okay, so now let's do this. Let's do this, ladies and gentlemen. That's a daily golden zone. Perfect. Excellent. I like this. So, okay, so now we got the weekly bullish. The only thing I don't like about this is this failing on creating a new high. That I don't like, but still, let's take a look at the 4 hour. So 4 hour now is bearish, obviously. Wow, straight the fuck down. Okay. So 4 hour, oops, I just did here. 4 hour lower low, lower low, low. Okay, there we go. Oops. Okay. Okay. Let me see the chat if we have any question. I was also looking at NC cells on Monday, but didn't take it as entry. It was an Asian session. There was no top wick on the daily and weekly, so was waiting for weekly to form its wick. Makes sense. Let me see. Okay, USD CAD. Sony, how you doing, buddy? USD CAD. USD CAD is on the new not trade list because it's a fucking stupid pair. But we're definitely gonna take a look for you because we are here to help. Okay, so let me just remove all this. Okay, let's take a look at the weekly on the infamous USD CAD that's been ranging for since October 2022 for almost 2 years. We're just moving sideways here on the weekly time frame. I mean, yeah. So the daily. So basically, the weekly was still bullish. The daily is bullish. So daily, same thing. Daily, we failed on creating a higher high or a lower low since April 24. So a couple months ago, we're jammed in that range. So why people wants to trade this, I don't know. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. So the 4 hour is bullish here. Actually, oh, hold on. Wait a second. We don't have any elbow here. We don't have any elbow whatsoever here. What? All right, so here we go. Perfect. We have no elbow here, no elbow here, no elbow here. So we got a 4 hour bearish. So 4 hours bearish, daily is bullish, and weekly is bullish. So you need your 4 hour to go bullish before taking this trade to the upside. And but I would not be interested since this shit is moving sideways for so long. The R is going to be so small, so it's up to you. But I personally don't like it. Let's see, let's see. 80 CAD. Did we do 80 CAD? We didn't do 80 CAD yet. Okay, so let's go take a look. Let's go take a look, Brian. 80 CAD, baby. Where are you? Here. Okay, so did Brian spot something nice? Let's see, guys. All right, so let's take a look. Let's start with the weekly here. It's been a while. I didn't look at the 80 CAD, so let's see. Did anything change? Well, we're clearly having new higher high now. Boom. We got stupid gaps. I don't know what's going on with the market for the past couple of weeks. I mean, never had that many gaps with Wanda, and now it's just like, holy shit. It's just so stupid. Do we have an elbow here? No, it's flat. So no elbow. Okay. So straight up. Straight up. So I guess the weekly area of interest here is still valid, which is also previous structure. Okay. Do we have we have another area though before that. So let's do this. So right here. So here we got support, resistance, 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 resistance. So very valid. Plus, I'm pretty sure we got, where's this major QP? Oh, major QP is right behind. Okay. We got 1, 2. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So that's going to be area number 1, area number 2. Yeah. So we're cleared at high right now. So personally, I don't like to be involved at a weekly high. I would wait for a pullback. Daily, same thing. Daily here. Hold on. Where's this elbow? This is a fucking stupid ass gap. So same thing here. That's a gap. Oh man, this is a mess. So yeah. So again, like this is a small, like this with the gap. I don't know where it should be. It's just like so stupid right now. Let's take a look at. Let's try to put AUD CAD on Forex.com just for fun. On the daily, is that the same shit? Okay, so here it's a little cleaner. You don't really have an elbow here. Like when people ask me what's the difference between an elbow and not an elbow, so very simple. Like look how clean is this. This is an elbow. You know, this is an elbow. You know, you see, this is an elbow. You know, this is kind of an elbowish. Not that clean, but not bad either. So let's say if we consider it just for fun, what does it look like? So that would be like from there to there to there to there. So right now we're probably at the golden zone on, let's say if we consider this as an elbow, that means we are inside that golden zone precisely. But my problem again is like we're the high here, you know? So yeah, not interested. Not interested. If you're looking for a day trade, maybe. But again, if you're looking for a day trade, your 4 hour is bearish right now. So, I mean, that's a problem. I mean, look at this 4 hour. 4 hours bearish. So you need the 4 hour to go back bullish before taking this trade. So, not interested. I do understand why You got dragged into that trade idea though, but at the end of the day, you got your weekly bearish, you got your daily maybe bullish. I mean, not maybe bullish; it's definitely bullish, and the weekly bullish. And you think that you're having this pullback here, which is good. Well, again, it makes sense as a day trade because your weekly, it might just continue. It continuated. Fuck, the French is having a problem. Because this candle might flip back bullish to continue to the upside. So that's a very good probability. Don't get me wrong. Uh, don't get me wrong. That might be very possible because we're only Tuesday, actually Wednesday. So we still have time for this candle to flip back bullish, especially that if you look at this candle, we already broke previous high here on this wick. So meaning that there's bigger and higher probability for price to continue to the upside than to the downside because we still respect this low here. Okay. So yes, it does make sense. But for me, again, on my rules, I'm at a higher high. I don't have a pullback. Not that interested. If I'm looking for day trade, yes, I might be interested. As a swing, not interested. Okay. But again, if I want to do it as a day trade, don't forget you need your 4 to go back bullish, no matter what. No matter what, if you're scalping right now, or if you're swinging, or if you're day trading, personally, I never go against my 4. Okay. So yeah. So if you want to take it to the upside, no matter what, your 4 needs to be in sync. Okay. So hopefully that's helpful. Smash goddamn like button, guys. Elbow drop that button, knee drop, nose drop, do whatever you want, but give it a like. All right, what else? 820. Okay. By the way, guys, I think we only have one spot left for the bootcamp now. So if anyone interested, let me know. It's going to be 5 sessions of the bootcamp followed by a 3-month mentorship. You're going to have access to the recording, obviously. Plus, you're also going to have access to the existing course that's recorded. Yeah, only one. I'm pretty sure there's only one spot left. And it's a private group of 12 people only. Okay, I'm not doing this for mass market and doing this for the money. I don't give a shit. I'm doing this for you guys. So yeah. Okay, so now what's next? What's next? Any other pair you guys want to take a look at? Let's take a look at. Meanwhile, let's take a look at GN. I kind of like GN usually, but I don't think it's looking nice now. Yeah, we're clearly at a high once again on the weekly, daily, higher high. Yeah, okay, so what's next? NZDCHF weekly is bullish. Holy freaking fuck. And look at this. I was looking for the day to go back bullish. Never happened. So let's delete this. Remove. Let's delete all this. And let's update this to this. Boom. 4 boom, boom. Oh boy, it's not closed yet, but is this one closed under? Again, with the gap, we don't really know, but anyways, this one's gonna close like this because it's closing in 23 minutes, so I'm gonna switch it after. Not even 20. Yeah, no, 37 minutes. Sorry, guys. Eurocad, we are at a high. Not interested. GN, we just look at the entity. USD is doing nothing. Euro AUD. Oh, okay, interesting. Euro AUD is bullish on the weekly, but we're under that area. So now this I might be willing to go against my weekly here if the daily goes back bullish. but yeah, we'll move it up a bit, but I'm not excited about that one. GA, what about GA? GA here on the weekly. Ugh, horrible. I mean, hold on, wait a second. So GA is about to go bullish on the weekly. What about the day? Day is bullish, right? 4 hour is obviously bullish. G might look nice eventually once the weekly, like this next week, probably gonna be looking nice. So GA, if we wait for GA next week to go bullish, we'll wait for the pullback and we'll take it to the upside. Yeah, that looks nice. Not now, but it's setting up slowly. Euro GPY weekly bullish. Oh, that looks nice on the weekly, anyways. Okay, okay, okay. Let's go. Okay. We're right at that golden zone here on the weekly. And we'll go do GJ once again right after, guys. So don't worry. Like, look at this gap, man. Ugh. Okay, so let's try. You know what? Let's try Euro GPY. Forex.com. Is that more clean? Oh, definitely cleaner. So let's do. Where's Euro GPY? Euro GPY. So we'll put right under. Oh yeah, definitely better. Okay, so let's do this. So let's do this line right here. So weekly, higher high. Weekly, higher low. We'll do our golden zone. There we go. Perfect. Excellent. Okay, so now let's go take a look at the daily. The daily is also bullish. Daily higher high. Daily higher low. Cool. Oh, we have it. Actually, the day is bearish. Yeah, the day is bearish here. So the day is bearish. That's normal because you're, again, the lower time frame will go always, will flip before. Daily, Sasha. Daily lower low. Here we go. Cool. So that's good. That's perfect actually. So now the only thing I need is I would love for the daily to do something like this now. So I would love to daily to do something like this. Bounce back above breaking, come that retest to go to the upside. Okay. So that's something I would like to see on Euro GPY, but definitely looking like a pair that I might be interested in eventually. Not now, but that's okay. What else? What else? What else, ladies and gentlemen? Uh, Special effect. I'm being stupid now. Okay, let's go to GJ. So let's go back to GJ. Let's redo this because I think some people missed it since it was the first one we did at the beginning. So let's do this. So for me, on GJ, the weekly is bullish, right? This is the pullback that you want to see, obviously, for the weekly. But again, on the daily, if you look, we're also bullish, but we were right inside the day golden zone. So for me, like I explained earlier, that would be a TP for me for a counter trend trade, not an entry area. Okay, because this is the area where I'm expecting price to push back up. Okay, so the daily is bullish. The weekly is very bullish also. So I'm not interested to go bearish, right? So even if the like, if you're scalping, again, if you're scalping, maybe, but again, now if I'm scalping, now I might be interested. And the reason why is because now we are under that daily golden zone. Okay, so now what you want is see maybe this to retest this area to continue to downside and use this weekly golden zone as a TP. So that's something. But as a day trade or swing, I don't know. Not my kind. Going against all my rules, not interested. You know, like even if the Pope would say like, what did I use the Pope as an example? What the fuck? Not even like whatever. Even even if the best trader in the world and the bank will say, "Hey, Sasha, man, we're all going in this," I'm like, "Fuck it, man." It took me years to build up my rules and respect my rules. I'm not gonna start fucking up my rules now, you know. So, like I said, it's been 2 weeks I didn't take a trade. It is what it is. Fuck it, you know. Just waiting for the right opportunity. You don't need to have like 20 trades in a week or in a month. You just need the one, you know. So that's it. So for me, that was clearly not the one. Too risky for me, anyways. Like again, like everyone's allowed and are free to do whatever they want, you know, just telling what's going through my mind. Okay. So for me, it was a no go. And yeah, so that's it. So you got your daily and your weekly bullish having the pullback. So yes, this is the target. And but again, the 4 hour before that, you know, was bearish from there to there. Look, I'll show you. So anyway, so went bearish here. We had to pull back. So there's some people who took the trade, I think here or somewhere. But even there, it was like, where are we at the 382 at least? Oh yeah, we since because we got that wick. Yeah, okay. So we're inside that golden zone, so that's good. So yeah. So anyways, so price put up to here. There's some people I think took entries in here, which is not bad, like I said. But again, for me, like this for me is problematic because this is the area where all my trades takes off most of the time, you know. So not going to do to go against it. Okay. So hopefully that makes sense for everyone. Um, so this. I think we covered everything. Any other question, guys? Let me know. Any other questions, ladies and gentlemen? Let me know. Let me know. We're good? You guys are way too quiet this morning, man. What's going on? What is going on? Saul? Yeah, Solana. I think Solana's doing this thing right now. Solana's going back up. Crown is going back up. Yeah, Solana's looking nice. We had some accumulation here. Solana's still bullish on the weekly. And we flip back bullish on the daily. Now we're about to have a pullback here on the daily. 4 hour, same thing. Yeah, Solana looks good. Solana looks good. Yeah. We needed that pullback here after this huge push here on the weekly. We needed that pullback. Now we have some accumulation and ready to push back up, man. So yeah, Crown too. Crown's back to like close to 50 cents. So that's good. So on the move. On the move, baby. On the move. By the way, guys, if you're still didn't look at this game, you gotta look at this game, man. This game is fucking awesome. You can race, breed, buy, sell horses. You can bet on horses, on races. Also, it is amazing. Do your own research. It's such a fun game, man. and it's very well done. I mean, I don't know if you know Maiden Football, the game on Xbox and PlayStation. The guy who actually designed that game is actually the owner of that game. He's very, very solid. So, yeah, you're definitely going to want to take a look at this. There's very, very cool opportunity to make money on there. And it plus it's fun. You know, it's just so addictive though. So addictive. Like I'm like in all those bloodlines and I'm going like, oh, this horse won this and with this female, and like, okay, shit, I'm gonna breed with that stud and I'm gonna create a monster horse. And man, I'm telling you, the genetics in the game is just like it's mind blowing what they did. Like it's I've never seen something like that. And there goes to get into casinos and shit like that. So it's still super early in the game. Remember that game. Remember you heard it here first. Okay. So, anyways. Um, okay, let's go back to somebody says Doctail setup on GJ. Let's see. H4. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Dogtail setup. So this one needs to, yeah. The thing is, yeah, I would be willing on this one. The thing is, it's gonna this one meaning it's gonna be a booby trap candle. I don't have big hopes since this one still respected this low. I'm pretty sure now we're gonna have the pullback though. So am I willing to take it to the upside here, breaking, knowing that the area is gonna be super small? How many pips is that? So let's say that this candle closed like this right now, just as an example. If we do break here, that means that gives me like, yeah, 20 pips. Yeah, well, I can scalp that. Okay. So maybe to the upside. I will prefer to the downside, but maybe to the upside. It's not my favorite one though. I would be like probably like only 1%, like very small risk, because this is not the best stocktail setup to be honest. So, all right, ladies and gentlemen, let's see here. Any last questions? I don't think so. Thank you so much for tuning in on Anon's Wednesday. I mean, I actually put a story, but yeah, it was a different day. We usually stream on Tuesday morning, and tomorrow night, Forex talk over here. Don't miss out. We're gonna follow up on everything we did breakdown, and if I take a trade today, you will know tomorrow. I'm gonna break it down tomorrow for sure and give you updates and trades idea for the next upcoming days. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow night at First Talk over here, 6 p.m. Eastern. Again, there's one spot left for the boot camp. Send me a DM if you're interested. Thank you so much and have an amazing day, guys. Peace out.